Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I'm gonna do an update to a prior video. Was recently reminded by a buddy of mine, of course. This comes from a friend. That it's time to wax the nose again. He wants to see another nose waxing video, so that's what I'm gonna do. But this time, I'm gonna up the ante a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and wax the ears and the nose at the same time. Just to break it down, this is the wax right here. It is solid right now. This goes in the microwave, it heats up, it melts down. You take one of these mustache guards right here, put it over your mustache so the wax doesn't pull out your mustache. Then you take these sticks, dip it into the wax, make a little cone, put it into the areas you're gonna wax, and then you let it dry and then you yank. Once you're done, you take the balm wipes and wipe away any of the excess that's on your skin. There will be some redness after using the product, and it's kind of going to tingle a little bit, but that will go away after a few hours or even up to a day or two. So without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so I got the wax all heated up. It's got to look like this and be real soupy, if you want to say, real liquidy. But if it is clear, it is way too hot. Do not use it if the wax turns clear. It has to be this color and, you know, be moving around on the inside. So, let's get a mustache guard, of course. Make sure that's really on there. Stick. About that much. Let the one side dry. Not too deep, of course. Okay, now that I look like a complete fool, I'm gonna let this dry and then yank it out. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. It's time to yank these out. So I already know what to expect from the first time I did this, but this is the first time I've done my ears. So I'm gonna go with the ears first because I feel like it's gonna hurt less, but we'll see. So here we go. Ooh, it's already we're gonna yank it out. We're just gonna yank it out. Oh shit! It didn't come out. Fuck. Oh, all right. God damn. Oh jeez. I'm gonna hold my. Ah. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck coming out. Ah. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's ear hair there. There's quite a bit of ear hair there. Ah! Quite a bit. Quite a bit of ear hair there. A little fuzzies there happening. Okay. Okay, the nose peel. Oh, I already feel it pulling on the skin. Like when I go like this. I already feel it pulling. This side is going to hurt a lot more than this side because I already feel the pain on this side as I flex my nose. I feel the skin pulling. I can live like this forever, right? No, I can't. All right. Ah! Ah! Mother! you go. This time I didn't get that bit of my mustache that I got last time. I think that's what hurt a lot more last time, is that I actually ripped out some of my mustache and I was kind of bleeding there for a little bit. I'm gonna get these balm wipes. I'm gonna get this balm wipe in here real quick. Whew. Okay, so my ears and nose are clear of hair right now for another month. Maybe I'll do this monthly. We'll see. That'll be it for the Kenashii nose and now I guess ear wax. Catch you on the next one. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.